following is an urgent winter weather message. For the following counties in New York: Madison, Northern Oneida, Onondaga, Seneca, Southern Cayuga, Southern Oneida, and Yates. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Monday to 10 a.m. Tuesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 9 inches. Where? Northern Oneida, Yates, Seneca, Southern Cayuga, Onondaga, Madison, and Southern Oneida counties. When? From 1 p.m. Monday to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact for the Monday evening and Tuesday morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The following is a winter weather